IIT Indore sees a strong surge in choices across all engineering branches in JIC 2025. BTech placement rise at 14 IITs in 2024-2025 but still trail 2021-22 peak RTI data. Bihar Board to declare DIE ED Joint Entrance Exam 2025 results today at 1 pm. SSC opens final city preference window for JEE 2025 amid new self-slotting system. ISB and Emeritus launch Chief Digital and AI Officer program for senior leaders. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: in JIC 2025, Computer Science and Engineering led with 23,410 choices, up to 12.75%, reflecting growing interest in AI, cybersecurity and deep tech careers. Mathematics and Computing rose 12.76% to 16,529, driven by demand for data science and quantitative fields. Electrical Engineering grew 11.47% to 18,775. Core branches also expanded: Mechanical Engineering up to 9.49%, Civil Engineering up to 10.85%, and Chemical Engineering up to 7.73%. Engineering Physics increased 10.85%, while Metallurgical Engineering and Material Science rose from 9.87%. The renamed Space Science and Engineering program saw 10,998 choices, up from 9,664. Overall, the data highlights strong, broad-based growth aligned with emerging industry trends. RTI responses from 14 IITs show BTech placements improved in 2024-25 after a steep decline in 2023-24, but figures remain below the stronger 2021-22 highs. While 13 IITs had over 90% placement in 2021-22, only IIT Mandi and IIT Goa crossed the mark this year, with IIT Bhubaneswar at 90%. Most campuses including Kanpur, Delhi, Dhanbad, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Ropar, Indore and others recorded recovery compared to last year. Directors attribute the rebound to outreach to more recruiters and rising demand in manufacturing and core engineering, while noting that many students now prefer startups or higher studies. Software roles still dominate placements at IIT like Guwahati and Mandi, though interest in stable core sector job is rising. The Bihar School Examination Board will announce the DIE ED Joint Entrance Exam 2025 results today, November 26 at 1 pm. BSEB Chairman Anand Kishore will release the results at the board's main office on Sinha Library Road, Patna, and the scorecards will be available on the result website. Along with the results, the board will share detailed guidelines for admissions to DEI ED training institutes through the online felicitation system for students. Candidates will also receive instructions on choice filling, document verification, allotment schedules, and cutoff trends. The board has stressed a streamlined, fully online admission process. Aspirants are advised to keep their admit card and registration details ready to access the results and proceed with the next steps. The Staff Selection Commission has opened a one-time final correction window for JEE 2025 application who missed selecting an exam city during the earlier self-slotting period. Candidates can now submit their preferred city through the feedback module on their login until 11 am November 28, 2025. The SSC clarified that allocation will be on a best effort basis and those who skip this chance will not receive exam centers or admit cards. City-wise status for candidates who slotted earlier was activated on November 25. The update comes during a heavy recruitment cycle with 5,308 JE and 5,308 SI vacancies and reflects SSC's shift towards a more digital candidate-friendly system. While the paper one was scheduled in October, The paper 2 is expected in January and February 2026. ISB Executive Education, in partnership with Emeritus, has launched a 30-week Chief Digital and AI Officer program aimed at experienced professionals leading enterprise-level digital and AI transformation. Beginning in December 30, 2025, the blended program includes online modules, live sessions, masterclass, and office hours. Participants will learn to design AI-driven digital strategies, strengthen across-functional collaborations, manage change, and build governance framework covering ethics, cybersecurity, and digital asset protection. The fee is rupees 6,31,000 plus GST, and eligibility requires a graduate for diploma with at least 10 years of experience. The initiative comes as LinkedIn's 2025 top MBA programs list places ISB at global rank 5, with multiple Indian B schools gaining recognition.